at sunrise looking for pogo. Only that one peacock up in the tree. Had a little more rain overnight. So yeah, that's like he's up there every night now, I think. I was kind of hoping Pogo might be up there with him. Don't see Pogo, but I got some food for him. Well, first pea I find early this morning, and we got that looks like a fresh injury. So another one's gotten hammered. This isn't the one that was limping, and this isn't Pogo. Although he's sure acting like Pogo. Just gave him some hot dog and he ate some bits, but he left most of it. I don't know if I scared him or what. But at least he made it through the night. I'm really worried about Pogo. That's who I brought the food for. Pogo looks like he's starving. It's just, there's a whole lot of implications with that. Alright, sweet pea. Oh, Spotty and Scalpy and one of the babies. And Scalpy's walking better. I mean, Spotty, whatever. Spot's walking normal again. That's what I meant to say. Spotty, we were worried about you. We don't want to lose the ones we can recognize. Hi, mamas. Where's all the kids? Mama Scalpy. Hi, baby. Still no sign of Pogo. Spotty. Hi, Scalpy. Oh, little head inspection. Passed the test. Mama Scalpy. There you go. That's such a lovely pose. Let me see if I can get you. Oh, there you go. Mama Scalpy. Oh, sweet pea, you've come so far in this last year. If you go back to February last year, I think she was the one that was shot in the face. Her eye was kind of out of socket for a while. It's right about the last time I saw Wee Pea. It's kind of sad looking it all up. Mama Scalpy. Anyway, glad I got you, baby. Just came across another nice little bunch of peas. Our new Pogo found a little place. Looks like he found some dry grass to sit in. Oh, look at those colors. Woo! Pink and gold. And the blues and the greens, that's wild. That morning sun's doing him justice. We got that young feller. And we got that young fella and girl. So I'm wondering if that's number 4 and his sister. Oh, got a white kitty down there. There's still a couple more coming up the street. You are outnumbered, kitty. Look out, kitty. Oh, it's just a little kitty cat, you guys. There you go. Trying to dodge those tails. Oh, sweetheart, you getting some bites? She kind of looks like Scalpy. Well, the light's kind of working against me. I think that's Frida. She looks like Scalpy. Something about that white line at the eyes. The way she carries her crest. But I know I saw Scalpy already. And that's on the other, about a block south of here. Just a few minutes ago, so. Frida, is that you? Hi, Mama. That's wild. Here's one of our young pea chicks. One of our young pea hens. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. You coming to check me out? Ah, it was a lucky morning. I got lucky with the timing.